Hey cleaning company owners, welcome back. It's Rick from Cleaning Launch, and today we're going to talk about why cleaning franchises are kind of like a ripoff. And if you guys don't know who I am, I built a 7-figure commercial cleaning business called Mastery Cleaning. You guys can look it up and watch the rest of my videos on YouTube. They're really going to help you in building a commercial cleaning business. Alright, so why are franchises a ripoff? And I come across a lot of people that bought a franchise, or they're looking to buy a franchise. And I personally worked for other companies in the past before I started my own commercial cleaning business. And yeah, I worked for other companies that bought a franchise, and so I know the ins and outs of the franchise world. I even consider starting my own franchise and not buying a franchise, like creating my own for Mastery Cleaning. But instead of doing that, I decided to simply help other people build their own establishment, their own empire, without having to sell them a franchise and taking half their profits. Nothing like that. It's just a one-time investment, Anyways, so why are franchises a ripoff? So number one, because a lot of my competitors, they're franchises too. So the first reason, you have to pay to get commercial cleaning contracts. So imagine having to pay to get a subcontract job. That's kind of like the same thing with franchising. You have to pay to get the contracts you want, and then on top of that, you have to pay recurring fees, like a percentage of that contract back to headquarters. All right, it's anywhere between 10 to 20%. All right, there's companies I talked. I don't want to mention any names, but they were charging 17% every single month, and they divide it. They say, oh, marketing fee, management fee, but overall it's about 18-17% from a well-known franchise that I know. And so if you want to get commercial contracts, so let's say you want $5,000 per month in commercial cleaning contracts, you have to pay about, I'll say, $20,000 to $30,000 for that. And then once you pay that, they give you those contracts. All right, and every single month, they take their percentage of those contracts on top of that. So imagine buying a business and then having to pay fees to the owner every single month, and you do all the work. All right, it's not worth it. Imagine being a subcontractor, and then if you want more subcontracts, having to pay up front to get that job. It's not worth it. All right, and the other thing too, the contracts that franchises usually close, they're underquoted. All right, this is a big tactic that franchises use. They underquote all the other quotes so they can win the contract. But we all know how that happens when a contract's underquoted. We don't make that much money per hour, right? I spoke with people that had their own business, but in reality they bought a franchise, and I saw the owner doing a lot of the cleaning, and I asked her, I'm like, so like how much are you averaging per hour? And it was less than 20 per hour, and I was shocked. Because my own subcontractors, I pay them anywhere between $20 to $30 per hour on average, depending on the contract. So for someone that bought a franchise, paid all these fees, took out a loan to buy the franchise, and they're only averaging less than 20 an hour, that's not right. That's not ethical. All right. So those are the 3 reasons why I don't trust. And I really don't recommend buying a franchise. Oh, I forgot. The 4th reason is that you're not buying your business. You don't have a business. They make it seem like, oh, we have this limited opportunity in your city area, claim your city. And they make it perceive like, be your own boss, be your own business owner, be the CEO. In reality, you're just a subcontractor for the big franchisee. All right, you don't have no establishment. All right, you work under the franchise name that they provided for you. All right, and In the sorry, different franchises are different. All right, some structured differently. Some of them might be, a decent deal actually. All right, but usually I don't recommend buy a franchise for those 3 reasons. If you need like a big location and they have all these hidden systems, or it's a very complicated business model like McDonald's, sure, buy a franchise. But when it comes to commercial cleaning, you don't need to be a well-known company. You simply need a good establishment, all right? And you can build that yourself, all right? So guys, don't buy a franchise ever for the 4 reasons. I know I'm repeating myself a little too much, but I really want to get the point out, all right? Number 1, you have to pay up front to get work. It's like paying someone to get subcontract jobs. Monthly fees that you have to pay to the franchisee every single month. The underquoted contracts you get, all right? Like a lot of contracts, I could have had twice more contracts that I do now if I accepted or low bid or provided a low quote to the client. But no, I stuck to my premium prices, because at the end of the day, a lot of clients don't care about the price. They care about finding a really good cleaning company, the most reliable cleaning company they can rely on, that they can provide consistent quality services and good customer service. A company you can trust, all right? You don't always want to hire the cheapest one, all right, guys? So if you want to work with me one-on-one, growing your commercial cleaning business with my team at Cleaning Launch, book a call, click on the link below, there's a free video, and after you watch that free training video, book a call if you're ready to move forward and go from point A to point B in your business. Because we don't only just have a step-by-step program, we provide you all the tools you need to build an establishment right away. So you don't spend a lot of time building all these tools yourself, right? So within the first week, we build all the tools you need. So the website, proposal, brochures, all the contracts you need, putting you on Google, setting up your domain name, everything. So you have that establishment, all right? Clients, they don't want to hire someone who just started out, or someone that has no track record or establishment. How are they supposed to trust you with their office keys if you have no presence, if you have no tools or establishment, right? Clients don't want to hire someone that seems like they just started out. They want to hire someone who has a proven track record of client satisfaction over the years, right? Clients, many times they rotate cleaning companies because they're not happy, all right? So before they hire you, they want to make sure that they hire a company that they know they're going to do a good cleaning job and they're going to be happy overall. All right, guys? So that's the establishment. All right, and then we have a step-by-step program, and then you get to work one-on-one with me. All right, right now I'm doing all the coaching for our clients right now, and once we expand in the next 6 months, I won't be doing the coaching myself. So guys, if you want one-on-one coaching from myself, book a call right now. All right, and you're working directly with someone who built a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. And I say that not to brag, but to encourage you to take that leap of faith, to start looking for commercial cleaning contracts. Because if you want to make, for example, like $20,000 per month, you're gonna how many houses you have to clean to make $20,000 that month? It's gonna be very hectic. But when it comes to commercial cleaning, once you close a contract, it's the same routine over and over again. So it's very easy to systemize the operations, all right? And you play with smaller numbers. For example, like to make $20,000 per month in revenue from residential clients, you might have to clean maybe 200 houses, something like that, or 150 houses. And with commercial cleaning, let's say you find a contract that's 5 hours per visit, 5 days a week, so Monday to Friday, and you're charging $40 an hour. That's $4,000 or $4,300 per month from that one contract. And you find 4 more of those, 5 more of those, and you will be making 25K per month. So see how differently commercial cleaning is? You play with less numbers and you make a lot more money. When there's less numbers, like less variables, it's very easy to systemize, because all you do is you get the contract, you find a reliable cleaner, all right? You put the quality structures in place, and they're very happy with the position, their experience. They do the exact same thing over and over again, and you keep them accountable, all right? So if you have a happy cleaner, they're reliable, consistent, accountable, that's gonna mean the client's gonna be happy because they're getting a good job. And you do some inspection, answer their emails, yada yada. And if the cleaner's happy, they do a good job. If a good job's being done consistently, the client is happy. And everyone needs cleaning every single month. So it's recurring revenue. So once you put a good cleaner in place and the client's happy, you simply collect your profits every single month. All right, guys? And this is how you should be running your commercial cleaning business. I see too many people literally just like driving all over the city, barely making a profit. They're constantly relying all of their revenue from a few contracts. And guys, if you truly want to build a sustainable business, you need more commercial contracts. You need to diversify your revenue sources, all right? Because if you rely 80% of your revenue from one contract or one company, what happens when that company no longer needs you? I've been in that situation, and it does not feel very well, all right? And this is why you need to protect yourself by having different commercial cleaning contracts, all right? So guys, if you want to work one-on-one with me, have our step-by-step 7-figure commercial cleaning business program, and have all the tools ready for you within the first week of working together, then book a call, all right? And I want to be honest, like, if you're looking for free stuff, that won't be us. Or if you're looking to spend a few $100s, that won't be us, okay? You don't build a business by spending a few $100s or being a window shopper, all right, guys? So if you're ready to move forward, invest in your business, to put $1 in and get 100 out in the next 2 years and completely change your life, then book a call if you want to grow your business. All right, guys? And if you're not ready to take that kind of action yet, there's a lot of free training videos in my channel at Cleaning Launch. Click below or check out my website. I provide free resources for you guys. Get the education you need to start looking for more jobs. And when you guys have a little cushion, a little capital to play with, then work with us one-on-one. Because honestly, this will be the fastest way to success. You can spend the next 6 months, 2 years trying to do everything yourself, but when you do everything yourself, you don't get that much further ahead, and you make a lot of costly mistakes when we can provide you everything, all the systems. And I speak with a lot of people that simply don't believe in themselves. And when you never done something, it's kinda doesn't feel real, all right? It doesn't feel like it's possible. It's like, how can this be possible? And that's the case with everything in life when you never done it before, all right? But everywhere you go, there's opportunity, all right? In every city, there's thousands of commercial buildings. All you need is 10 of those buildings to completely change your life. I know that sounds a little cringe or I don't know what, but it's true. If you get 10 commercial cleaning contracts minimum, your life won't be the same forever, right? If you're constantly, struggling to pay bills, or you don't have a reliable stream of revenue, life is a little hectic. I've been there, all right? Every single month I'm worrying about bills. I constantly have to trade my time for money, and yeah, it wasn't very good. But when you guys have, let's say minimum 10 commercial cleaning contracts that are paying you every single month, you have the cleaners in place, everything's very systemized, you at least have that cushion to kind of gain your freedom back, all right? Like, I know a lot of people, especially in the contractor world, we always think that we have to sweat do the physical work to make money. But let me ask you this question. If you can get the work done and the client's happy, that's all that matters. Okay? It's all about the output. But anyways, I'm getting off topic right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, DM me on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click below to book a call if you're ready to grow your commercial cleaning business. Again, like, I don't want to talk too much details, but if we can help you, you know, get at least 2 commercial cleaning contracts per month with our cold outreach formula, would it be worth it? Again guys, once you close a commercial cleaning contract, you gotta keep the client happy, and it pays you every single month. It's not like a one-time sale and then they leave. You close a commercial contract and you close another one, and that's how you build a portfolio of commercial cleaning contracts. Don't see it like, oh, sorry guys, gotta take on the call. But anyways, I don't wanna get too much off topic, but guys, book a call below and see you guys soon. DM me on Instagram and follow me. I'll be happy to answer some questions for you, but again, only work with us if you're ready to move forward. See you guys soon.